Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Calm app. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to the Calm application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. So, in order to fix it, click on settings icon at the top left of the screen after navigating to profile. Here, you're going to simply click on logout and click on OK. Then log back in, and after logging back in, your problem will be solved. If that doesn't solve your problem, you'll have to simply navigate back to your mobile's dashboard. Then on the Calm app, simply hold it, then click on this small eye icon at the top and navigate to the application info for Calm app. Now, on this page, you'll have to navigate to the storage section, then click on clear cache. After you click on clear cache, this will instantly clear all the temporary cache for this application. What you can also do is click on clear data and click on delete, and this can help to fix this application. Now what you can also do is simply open Play Store on your mobile phone, click on search, then search for Calm app, then click on the Calm app here, click on uninstall, then click on uninstall again. After this, click on install to reinstall Calm app, and that will surely fix your Calm app on your mobile phone. So that is how you fix Calm app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.